Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about links and navigations. Links are one of the most essential component of the web. They connect page sections and resources, creating a network that defines the World Wide Web. In this chapter, we will explore adding hyperlinks to your page, the difference between relative and absolute links, linking to a specific section within a page using anchor links, opening links in a new tabs for better navigations, and enhancing user experience with tooltips using the title attribute. So let's start by creating our links. For that, we have a tag in HTML. This a tag have three attributes. The first one is href, which specifies the URL or path to navigate to. Another thing that it have is title. This title is used to add a tooltip. So when the user hovers over the link, it will display a message that we write in here. Then also it have another, the last attribute in here is target, which is specifies where to open the link document, example in a new tab. Remember that this is a bare tag, so we also have to close it by adding a bare closing tag. Then in the middle we can write our text. For example, click here. Now let's save it. It has been displayed in here. Now let's create our first link and our absolute link. So these are used to open a new URL or a new page. For example, in here I will type href, and for example I want to go to Google. So in here I will type just https://www.google.com, and in the text I will type go to Google. Now let's click save. As you guys can see in here, it's written go to Google. When I click here, it will redirect me to the Google page. So let's go back. Another thing that we can do is we can go to another chapter in our same project, or open another file inside our same project using a tags. For example, in here I have a chapter 3. So if I want to go to chapter 3, I will say a href, and I will give him the path of the chapter 3. Now let's close it and write our text here. Let go to chapter 3. Now let's click save. Let's add a break in here as well. Okay. Now when I click here, as you guys can see, it will open the previous chapter in here. Up to now, if you have guys noticed, whenever I click to any link, it will open in the same page or in the same tab. If I want to open it in a new tab, I have another tag for that. Sorry, I have an attribute for that. So let's create a break in here, and let's create a new href, and this one also. Let's go to chapter 2. Now to open this new link in a new tab, I have to type target is equal to blank. Now let's give him a text also, go to new tab, save. Okay. Now whenever I click this one, it will open a new tab in my browser without closing my current tab. So let's click it. Now as you guys can see, it opened a new tab without closing my old tab. So to open your links in a new tab, you have to use target blank. Now if you want to add a title or a pop up to your links so that the user know where it will take them, we can also add a title to it. So for example, let's create a new hyperlink here. So let's type chapter 1, and this will, the target also will be blank. Now If I type here title and write a text, this will go to chapter 1 and give them a text as well. So let's type here chapter 1. Okay, it's here. Now, whenever the user hover his mouse or move his mouse on this link, it will display a small pop-up which says this will go to chapter 1. But in the rest, it will not display any passage or anything. Another thing with the links that we can do is right up to now, when each of them we click, it will go to another page or another website. But right now, we just want to go to another section of our current page. We don't want to go to another page, we just want to go to another section of our page. For example, in here, let's create a tag. First of all, let's create our b, so it will display in a new line. And in here, let's create an a tag. For now, keep them empty. Go to end of the page. Okay, so this will go to the end of the page. Now, let's add some breaks and make our page long. I think, okay, let's add some more. Okay, now our page is longer. Okay, so in the end of the page, I will create a h2 tag in here, and I will say this is the end of the page. Now I will set an ID for this h2. So let's set an ID attribute, and we will say section 1. Now I want whenever the user click go to end of the page, it should scroll and display this message to him. So what will I do is just copy this ID from h2 and paste it into href of the link. And before this the ID, I have to also add a hash key, so it should know that this is the ID. It have to navigate to the same page. Now let's save everything. Now whenever the user click on this link, it will scroll down and it will go to the end of the page, displaying my message to the user. So this is it for this video. Now see you guys in the next video.